Installing window tint and not sure where to begin? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will cover the steps needed to have a successful glare strip installation. Before you tint your vehicle, it's important that you know your state's tint laws. Visit www.iwfa.com to find out more. You may also contact Gila Films customer service at 1-800-528-4481 to speak with a representative who can assist you with your state's tint laws and answer any questions you have about tint installation. Tools are provided with the Windshield Glare Kit. In addition to what is provided, you will need a plastic scrubby for cleaning glass and transparent tape. Have questions? If you do at any time during your installation, refer to GilaFilms.com. There's even a recipe for making more application solution if you run out mid-project. Do not apply any automotive tint to residential windows. Do not apply tint to frosted, etched, leaded, cracked, holed, deeply scratched, flawed, or otherwise defective glass. Do not apply tint to plexiglass, plastic, or acrylic windows. Many new automotive vehicles have plastic windows in certain locations. Do not apply window tint to these special windows. Now you're ready to get started. Clean and prepare the outside of the windshield by spraying application solution on the outside surface and using a scrubby to remove any dirt, wiping down all gaskets where dirt could be trapped. Locate the AS1 marker close to the side edge near the top of your windshield. Be aware that your windshield cannot be legally tinted anywhere below this marker. Lightly spray application solution on top of outside of windshield to temporarily hold the tint in place for the next step. On the outside of the glass, roll out the tint across the top of the windshield. Position it in place and cut the length of tint to fully cover the upper area. Then adjust the tint across the top section of the windshield and level the tint edge horizontally, being sure the clear liner side is facing up. Using the utility knife with light pressure and at a very low cutting angle, make an upside-down T relief cut in the top center of the tint. This allows the tint to lay flat across the width of the strip. After making this T cut, lift and smooth down the entire tint strip carefully from left to right. Begin trimming from the middle out to the left and right, using the molding as an edge guide. If possible, remove the rear view mirror on the inside of the windshield to make installation easier. If you cannot remove it, you will need to carefully cut around the rear view mirror base during trimming. Cover the entire dash with absorbent towels to protect it from damage and prevent moisture from getting into vents. Spray the inside glare strip area of the windshield with application solution and remove dirt and grime with the scrubby. Spray again, and this time, use the squeegee to clean the area. Next, wipe dry the borders and around the mirror mount with a low lint cloth wrapped around the squeegee. Place one piece of tape on each side of the same corner of the trimmed tint. Press the tape together and then quickly peel apart to separate the liner from the tint. Sit in the driver's seat and spray the glass area to be tinted again with solution, and peel back about 1/3 of the liner from left to right and spray the exposed adhesive side of the tint. Lay the tint in place. Apply the strip to the window from left to right, removing the liner as you go across the glass. Spray the tint that is now in place with solution and adjust the tint so it is precisely in place. Check that your tint is laying flat, that there are no light gaps, and that it is placed properly around the mirror mount. Next, secure the tint by squeegeeing horizontally from the left edge to the middle and then to the right edge, applying it carefully around the mirror mount. Wrap the squeegee with a low-lint cloth and carefully wipe the tint dry, pushing any extra solution to the edges. Reinstall the rearview mirror if needed. Then lightly spray the lower portion of the windshield with solution and wipe dry. Allow installed tint to dry at least 24 hours before resuming normal cleaning. Now step back and admire. Have any questions? Call Gila Films customer service at 1-800-528-4481 for assistance.